Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great and ready for this one because today we are diving into a topic that so many of you have been asking me about. Aditi, is Dubai a good place for doctors? Well, today I'm finally answering. So if you are at the start of your career looking for growth or even thinking about making a big change, this video is for you. Dubai has been gaining a lot of attention in the medical community and trust me, it's not just a hype. So if you're curious about what's it really like to live in Dubai and work as a doctor, stick around because I'm going to break it down for you. So now why Dubai? Dubai is famous for its lifestyle, record-breaking skyscrapers and world-class tourism. But what many of you don't realize that Dubai is also growing at an incredible speed in healthcare and it's creating incredible opportunities for doctors worldwide. Now let's look at some of the factors. Let's start with the biggest reason, that is tax-free high competitive salary. Unlike many countries where a huge chunk of your hard-earned salary goes into taxes, Dubai offers 100% tax-free income. That means what you earn is what you keep. No deductions, no surprise tax bills, just pure earnings. So if you're looking to build wealth, save for future or invest, Dubai is a dream location for doctors who want to maximize their financial potential. Next is world-class healthcare infrastructure. As a doctor, you want to work in an environment where you have access to cutting-edge technology, state-of-art medical equipments, well-funded hospitals and clinics, a system that values medical excellence. Dubai healthcare industry is expanding fast and the government is investing billions to make it a global medical hub. Imagine working in top-tier facilities where you can get to practice medicine in the highest standards. Now that also means there is a high demand for specialized doctors. If you're a cardiologist, neurologist, pediatrician, dermatologist, plastic surgeon or any other specialist, you are in luck. Dubai has a growing population and a booming medical tourism industry, which means the demand for highly skilled doctor is only increasing. Right now, private hospitals and clinics are actively hiring experienced professionals and they are willing to offer great salaries and benefits to attract the best talent. So if you're looking for career security and growth, Dubai is an excellent choice. Now, another thing I absolutely love about Dubai is the focus on continuous learning and career growth. You will have access to top-tier CME programs, medical conferences, and specialized training. You'll be working alongside leading experts and international professionals from all around the world. Now, this pushes you to grow, stay ahead of medical advancements, and build a strong global network. If you're someone who loves learning and wants to level up in your career, Dubai is the place to be. Now, let's talk about lifestyle. While Dubai is known for its luxury, it's also a vibrant multicultural city where you can find a perfect balance between work and life. Beaches, shopping and world-class dining, adventure sports and outdoor activities, incredible safety and family-friendly living. Doctors I've worked with tell me all the time how their schedule allows them to enjoy their personal lives, spend time with family and explore hobbies. And if you're moving with your family, Dubai has some of the best schools, healthcare and family-friendly amenities in the world. In short, Dubai is not just about making money, it's about creating a lifestyle you love. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Dubai's healthcare sector is competitive. You will be working alongside some of the best doctors from around the world, which means you have to stay sharp, constantly evolve and keep up with the latest medical advancements. The expectations are high, the pace is fast. But if you're someone who thrives on challenges, Dubai will push you to be your absolute best. And that's where the real growth happens. When I moved to Dubai, I saw the incredible opportunities, but also the challenges that doctors faced. That's why I created MediGrow, to help you not just survive here, but also grow and build a great career. Dubai changed my life and career in the ways I never imagined, and I want to help you experience the same success. So if you're thinking about working as a doctor in Dubai, here's my advice. Come prepared. Dubai rewards those who are ready to push boundaries and aim high. Have a strategy. Whether it's career growth, branding, or practice expansion, you need a plan. Build a strong personal brand. In a competitive market like Dubai, your reputation matters. Patients trust doctors who have credibility, visibility, and an authoritative presence. Whether it's through digital marketing, social proof, or networking, branding yourself as an expert is the key. Dubai offers incredible opportunities, but success requires strategy, preparation, and right mindset. If you are serious about making the move, let's make sure you do it in the right way. Let's connect if you found this helpful. Like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions. I read all of them. And subscribe to my channel so you never miss any valuable insight like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.